Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made my wedding bed cage feel. So if you want to see how you can recreate this, you can actually use different color for different occasion apart from wedding. So stay tuned. So this is a very simple tutorial. What you need is just four things. So that's a glue and then bed cage net. This is half a yard that I bought. And then this tiara, I don't know what they call it. So just go to any store that sells arts equipment and you get all this. So first thing, I'm just going to apply my glue 6000 just at the top like this so that I can easily attach my net to it. So now I'm just going to face it on the right side like this and then leave at least 1 inch to turn in. So that's what I'm doing. So next I'm going to apply inside and then turn in like this.
So the trick about this is just to put it in a angle where it curves to your face. Just do it again. Let me show you how I did it again. So slowly like this and then like that. And then you're good. This is epic to curve your face very well. So not that when you're doing here.
Okay, now that we have that out of the way, I'm just going to show you to attach the top. It's simple, just put a glue at the top and then attach it, and you can get different kind of design. I love this one because it's simple at the same time it's statement, so you can get any kind of flower you want at the top. And then this, I remember originally when I went to the shop to get this exact design, the money they called for me was just so much that I was like, oh my goodness, I just have to do this by myself. After getting all the materials, I realized I saved half of the money that I would have used to get this. So you can save money too by doing same for yourself if you're getting married. But I use this one for my customary cutlery anyway. So and then I plan to do black of this just for occasions. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe before you go. Bye.